Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. My name is Betty Burnett. Today we will be making chicken burgers. These burgers remind me of the burgers I used to get in Chicago. I'm going to prepare this chicken burger just for you. We have 2 buns. This is for 2 people. We have 1 chicken breast, which I'm going to cut in half. Have 1 onion. This is the condiment that's going to go on the sandwich. There's 1 egg, salt and pepper, flour, cornstarch. I just want to let you know this chicken breast was marinated for 24 hours. And I marinated in some vinegar, salt, pepper. That's red pepper flakes. If you don't like red pepper flakes, you don't have to add it to it. It's ready for me to cut up so I can make the 2 chicken burgers. And the onion and tomatoes also goes on the sandwich. I just added the breadcrumbs to the bowl. I'm gonna add cornstarch. I'm adding the flour. I'm gonna add the 1 egg to the bowl here. The salt and pepper. I'm gonna add some water to the mixture. This batter should be almost like pancake batter. It doesn't take long to prepare this. After you set out all your ingredients, the rest will come very easy. And I'll get all the lumps out of this flour. And mix that egg, and I still can see some of the egg white in here. So you want to mix it really well. Okay. So this is a quick dinner for us today. Now I'm gonna cut up this chicken breast. It's a pretty large chicken breast here, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that up for the sandwich. I'm gonna use the smaller one because that's too much meat for the 2 of us. So this is a little bit smaller than the other one I had. So let me cut it up. You wanna be very careful when you cutting this chicken in half. It's very tender, being marinated for 24 hours. I'm gonna cut the fat off of it. Really don't need all of that. And now you got 2 pieces of chicken, which is enough to make a nice chicken sandwich. Let me clean this cutting board and wash my hands. Take that off. Here's the batter. I'm gonna dip both chicken breasts in the batter here. And right now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my skillet so that I can pan fry these chicken breasts. My eye on 350. I added my chicken to the batter I made up. Now I'm gonna dip it in the breadcrumbs. Use my dry hand with this one. Dump it a couple times. See how that crumbs adhere to that chicken? It's gonna give it a nice crust. Place the other one in there. It's a nice crust on there. I'm gonna go ahead and place my other chicken breast in this. It shouldn't take very long to fry this chicken. I'm gonna turn this one over. This one is probably ready also to turn over. Oh, you don't want to move for me, huh? See how beautiful they are? And actually, I turned them over in about 4 minutes. So it doesn't take long at all to make this recipe. While the chicken is cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and mix my sauce here for the chicken. This is a very easy sauce. If you like to add some honey, you can, if you like it on the sweet side, but I don't, so I'm gonna leave it just the way I have it. This is just mustard, mayo, ketchup mixed together for the sandwich. Let me just move that out of the way. I have already cut up an onion here. I'm just gonna cut it in half. I like some onions, but not a lot. So I'm making 2 sandwiches, so this will work for 2 sandwiches. I mixed up the sauce there, you see it there. And the onions are cut in half. These are ready. I'm gonna go ahead and take them out of the skillet and prepare the sandwich. Here are the 2 chicken breasts ready to go on the sandwich. I cut up the onions, and I have the mustard right over there that I'm gonna add to the sandwich. So let's start putting it together. Here's the 2 buns. I'm gonna go ahead and add the sauce to the bun. I'm gonna place some onions on the bun. I'll place the chicken on the bun. There's some more sauce on the bun. And I'm gonna add the tomato to my sandwich. Bill doesn't like tomatoes, so it will go on my sandwich. And I'm gonna take a picture of it. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching.